Hey, Kenzie and Riley, it's Miss Hall. I wanted to do reading group with you. Riley, I know you've already read this story, but I thought it would be a good idea if we backed up to review some vowels. Mackenzie, you're new to this, but I think you're going to rock it, sister. All right, so we are going to be in I Learned to Read, Book 1. This is the red book, and it has a dog on the front. Go ahead and get that out and get a pencil with you as well. Okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over our vowels. As Miss Hall points to them, I want you to say the letter and the sound. Ready? A, apple. Elephant, e. Indian, I. Ostrich, ah. Umbrella, Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to say the blend. Ba. Now you're going to read that. Bat, bat. Now we're going to say the blend again. Cat, cat. Ma, mat. Sa, sat. All right, that's how you're going to do this page. Now come over to this page. This time we're going to practice marking some vowels. Go ahead and get your pencil with you. I'll give you a few minutes. Okay. Now, I know that we have the picture right here, but I want us to look at the letters. Let's go over the letters. We have a C, an A, and a P. Now, the first thing I want you to do is look and see how many vowels you have. You have one vowel, and that usually means that it's going to say the short sound. So I want you to take your pencil, and I want you to write a smile over that A, just like Miss Hall just did. Now, we're going to do sound, 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 blend. Then say the word. Ready? App. Cap. What's the word? Cap. Great job. Moving on to the next word. Let's go ahead and name the letters. M-A-N. Great job. Now, let's look and see if there's a vowel in this word. You have an A. Let's go ahead and mark that A with a smile. Great job. All right, now let's sound this out together. Man. What's the word? Great job. The word is man. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's go over our letters. H-A-T. Great job. Now we see one vowel. Let's go ahead and mark the A because we know that it's short because there's only one. Now let's sound this word out. Ready? At. Hat. What's the word? Hat. Great job. Now, let's do this word. Ready? Tub. My goodness, Miss Hall got ahead of her because she knew you were so smart and doing so good that we forgot to sound it out. So let's do it again. Ready? We have a T, a U, and a B. We know that this is a short U, so we're going to put a smile over it. All right, now let's sound it out. Tub. What's the word? Tub. Perfect. All right, come down here. Let's look at our word. We have a capital J, A, N. Now we see one vowel, so we're going to go ahead and mark that with a smile. And let's sound it out. Ready? Jan. What's the word? Jan. Perfect. All right, let's look at these letters. W-E-T. We see one vowel, so we're going to go ahead and mark it with a U because we know that that's the short. All right, now let's sound it out. Wet. What's the word? Wet. Great job, boys and girls. Now let's go back and let's read these words together. Ready? Cap, man, hat, tub, Jan, wet. Now let's look down here. We see a word in a box. We know when we see that word in a box that it is a sight word. Sight words we cannot sound out. This word is the. Let's spell it together. T-H-E. The. I went to the park. The. All right, boys and girls, I would like for you to practice reading this passage throughout the week with your family. Practice sounding out those words. Practice naming each of those letters and giving the sound. The more practice you do, the better reader you will be. Bye, guys.